Hey, this is Ralph the Angry Chipmunk. I guess Rev is too good to do his own commercials now, so I'm gonna be doing them. If you want a tattoo, go to Body Ink Tattoos in Winsett, North Carolina. Fuck, I don't know where it is. Son of a bitch. Damn it. Do your own damn commercials, you piece of shit. I hate this job. It fucking sucks.
Find Yeah. I love this job. That was the Gravity Guild with Slow. Off the West Coast, baby. Hear that water? That's West Coast water right there. Yeah, from California. Told you. We get music from everywhere. Everywhere. So don't be afraid to send it. Get it in here. We'll play it. You might make it big. You might not. We've had a couple bands go big. And do I take credit for that? Fuck yeah. Sure do. Before that, you heard Against Their Will with This Is War. And my little shout out to the Cleveland Indians. My boys in Drayton Road did Cleveland Steamer. If you don't know what Cleveland Steamer is, go look it up. I dare you. I do. I dare you. Go look it up right now. Go look it up while you're talking to me. While you're listening to me. I'm such a retard. Holy crap. Woo! Anyway, yeah. Friday night. It's awesome. Like I said, I'm supposed to be out on the ball field, but I'll be going out there tomorrow. Next week, we will not have a Revs Local Rock show again because I'm going to Texas. Damn right. Where the hell's my sound effects? Son of a bitch. It's my producer.
Shut up. Shut up.
Going to Texas for baseball. Timing. This business is all about timing. Yeah, see, that's why I am where I am. That's why I've gotten as big as I have, because of my timing. It's impeccable. But anyway, y'all know. All you guys that have been listening to the show for a long time know my son Cam. He plays baseball, 14 years old, plays all over the country, and he got invited to the Power Showcase in Texas. He will be playing at Texas Ranger Stadium. Yeah, you think proud papa? I think so. Damn right. Call it bragging if you want. I don't give a shit. Shit. I love it. I'm from Massachusetts. I live in the South, so I love it when I get that little Southern, you try to do that little Southern twang. Just comes falling out. I get my buddies up north make fun of me all the time about it. But you know, what am I going to do? I've been living down here for 20 years. Damn squeaky chair. It's going to happen. It rubs off on you. I like it down here. It's all right. Summertime, a little too hot for the Rev. And we still have too much winter. Because I hate winter. Hate it. Like I said, we play. My son's played all over the place. So I've got. We've been in Florida in January, which isn't bad. But I'll tell you what, it's still humid as a mug. Still humid. Unbelievable. And I think the best one was definitely California. When we went out to where were we? Well, we were staying by Anaheim. He was actually playing in Compton. No lie. Yeah. Hey, and it looks like any other city during the day. Just don't go through there at night. Beautiful baseball complex in Compton. So when that movie came out, Straight Outta Compton, first thing I did was got one, the movie tag on there, Straight Outta Compton. Straight Outta Compton. I had my son's picture from California, one of his pictures. Straight Outta Compton put on. I mean, that's awesome. One of my favorite pictures. One of my most favorite pictures. One of them. The other one's over there in Fenway. Anyway, let's get back to business. You want your music played on Revs Local Rock Show, send it to revslocalrock@gmail.com. Very easy. You want to give us a shout out on Facebook? Just look us up, Revs Local Rock Show. Check us out on Twitter. I drop some truth bombs every once in a while there on Twitter. Some words of wisdom, whatever you want to call them. I do that every once in a while. So check it out on Twitter. Rev Hooligan on Instagram. Man, we got it all. Just like these bands do. If you hear bands you like, go check them out. If you didn't hear me say who it was, just go to the Spreaker website, look up Revs Local Rock Show, look up this show, tonight's show, and there'll be a list of all the bands I played tonight. You can listen to them. You can listen to the whole damn show again if you want. As a matter of fact, you don't have to be listening to it live. A lot of our audience, because we get a lot of listeners. The followers, I mean, that's just something on Spreaker. People passing through, they'll click the follow button. It's all about the listeners, not the followers to me. And we got a lot of listeners. That's all I care about. We are We are the best local rock station around. Screw terrestrial radio. There's nothing on there you should even be listening to. If you listen to terrestrial radio, either you don't have satellite, or you got a car, from pre-satellite. I hate to put you down, but either get satellite or just listen to this show all the time. Like I said, I practice what I preach. I listen to this show during the day to listen to the music and just to listen to the show, see what awesomeness I might have oozed out or shittiness I might have oozed out, so I can fix it or just make it better, make me better. You make me better. Chewy, back me up, man. Thank you. We were going to have a caller, a guest tonight, but that got canceled last minute because really we weren't even supposed to be on air tonight. So technically it wasn't even last minute. I just lied right there. Lied right to your face. I'm ashamed of myself.
Yourself strapped into place. Ride a revved up suicide machine. Launch me into outer space. Can't tell the notch on a chemical high. The world is a pharmacy. Sweet taste of poison when you close your eyes. You're lucky just to wake in a dream. From the gun, I sit back and